What if you could play a record and get a different song every time? This is the concept of a multi-sided record, a type of vinyl record that has more than one groove per side. The technique allows hidden tracks to be encoded on LPs, 45 RPMs and 78 RPMs. But how does it work? The listener plays the main track or the hidden track depends on where the stylus is cued. This unique feature has been used by various artists to create interactive and surprising listening experiences. For example, Monty Python's album Matching Tie and Handkerchief has a side with a pair of grooves, each holding different material. Mad Magazine issued a flexi disc entitled It's a Super Spectacular Day in 1980. The disc plays a standard introductory section and then produces one of several different comedic endings. This is just one example of how multiple groove recordings have been used for entertainment purposes. Multiple groove recordings have also been used for games where the outcome is determined by which groove is played. Puzzle plates were produced by the Gramophone Company in London in 1898 and 1899. A 3-track puzzle plate was recorded in January 1901 and given as a prize for a competition. The Predog Victor A821 fortune-telling record has 3 recording tracks that go all the way through the record. The Fortune Teller song by the Fontaine Sisters contains 4 different versions of the song, each with a different ending. These examples demonstrate the creative possibilities of multiple groove recordings. Laura Scudder's Magic Record has 3 different songs that play at random depending on the drop of the stylus. This type of recording adds an element of surprise and unpredictability to the listening experience. The Monty Python Matching Tie and Handkerchief LP has a side with twin grooves, making it a 3-sided LP. This unique feature allows listeners to experience different versions of the same song. The Goodies single The Funky Gibbon has a double groove title track with alternative codas. This is just one example of how multiple groove recordings have been used in popular music. M's single Pop Music features pop music and M Factor on one side. However, the claim that this is the first double groove single is questionable. John Cooper Clarke's 7 Splat/Twat has Twat and Splat on 2 grooves on the A side. This type of recording allows artists to experiment with different versions of the same song. Henny Youngman's 128 Greatest Jokes features 4-track mastering that allows for a different random selection of jokes. This is just one example of how multiple groove recordings have been used in comedy. The use of multiple groove recordings has continued to evolve over the years, with artists such as Martha and the Muffins, Basha, and Alexander O'Neill experimenting with this unique format. The possibilities are endless, and the future of music is full of surprises.